Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I trust you guys had a beautiful day. Today I'm going to be checking on the pay I analyzed some time ago. I'll walk through the pays and you see the progress, the one we've literally hit stop loss and the one we are yet to hit CP and all. So this is the first one, the GBPNZD. I literally dropped it some days ago on the channel and we are about how many pips up? We're about 249 pips up. And I think we've literally gone one ratio 1.85. The initial target is 1:3, right? We want it to clear this high, 1:3. Then that was one. Then we actually did an analysis um, on EURGBP, right? And the EURGBP almost hit our TP and literally reversed. That's about 1:2.86. But me getting to this region after seeing this top movement, yeah, would have gone out on the trade. But the trade actually went our direction, and there was an account that it was trading. I actually used it to pass the account, and I think the market is literally coming down to this region for a re-entry because this other block has been tested, and we are going to the 1 hour time frame. There is a sweep of the low here, then a change of character, then liquidity being dropped for the market to come down and take it out and mitigate this other block and buy it again. So if the market gets down here tomorrow, I'm going to be buying this. So I'm expecting this once again to come over to this region. And by this time, the market should definitely clear off this point because building piles of and tons of liquidity above here. Then another pay I had was Dodge, right? Watch this. Yeah, it was literally Dodge. I literally posted these on the channel, and I guess you guys were literally missing. You guys, some people missed this trade. Yeah, it has actually done about 9.54%, right? That is actually cool for it starts. I'm expecting the market to clear above this region, right? Then which other pay was that? I think we did something on NZDJPY. Yeah, beautiful. I remember. NZDJPY. Yeah, the NZDJPY almost hit our stop loss, but I told you guys that I usually don't stingy my stop loss. So this was literally the position I dropped it, and the market came down and started buying. So that is how the trade I actually posted here, how everything went and all. So today I'm gonna be analyzing, I think AUDNZD, right? Okay, let me go with the AUDCHI first. And from there, we'll now do something else. So I'm going to be clearing my charts, right? I'm going to be clearing my chart. I'm going to be sharing my idea on what I'm seeing on AUDCHI. I don't really like trading this space because they are very, very slow. Like, I don't like it. Very, very slow, very, very slow. I can't really see good price action here, so I'll definitely leave it there. And let me search on AUDNZD. I have one NZD, right? Yep. Oh, what did I do? Think AUDNZD, right? Okay, that's basically any AUDNZD. So I'm gonna be clearing up my chart and I'll take the analysis from the higher time perspective to the lower time frame. Right, I'm gonna be starting off the daily time frame to the lower time frame. So let's dive into the actual video right now. All right. The first thing I'm gonna do is to switch this to line charts as usual. I'm gonna be marking out my key level. I'm gonna be marking out my key level. Yeah, I'm gonna be marking out my key level. Then I think we have one here. Then we have one here, right? So I'm gonna be zooming into the current price action to make my trading decisions, right? So remember, first thing I'm gonna look out for is what structures. I'm gonna be looking out for my structures within this level, something like this. Then I'm gonna be looking out for structure, liquidity, and the point of interest in my zone. I'm gonna be looking out for something like this. Sorry, something like this. Liquidity sweep, market pull back to some level, and come down and take out here. Right? So those are the basic liquidity types I use. Right. So I'm going to be zooming into this price action now. Switching to 4-hour time frame. Right. I can see that the market actually took out the high here. There was a liquidity sweep here. After the liquidity sweep, the market went and broke this structure. Now, after the market broke the structure, the market went down, returned, trying to pull back the type of liquidity I use, then returned very low. So market has actually taken out liquidity here, right? So I'm going to be expecting a sell off this level, owing to the fact that the market is at a resistance level, a key level in the past, right? And the market has actually given us, on the 4-hour time frame, we've seen bearish involving candle forming. So if I'm to take this trade, I'm gonna be, yeah, my stop loss is gonna be a gold down region. I like to still in my stop loss. I always like to use the market to bring space, right? And I'm gonna be targeting slow. That's one we should be. I'm gonna be targeting slow. So that is actually my price projection for AUDNZD coming up tomorrow and even the new week that we'll be entering into. So that is my thought process for AUDNZD. Please remember, every video I'm literally dropping is for educational purpose. I'm not actually giving out signal for anyone. I'm actually sharing my thought process, how I approach the market, what are the things I look out for, what are the things I consider while taking my trades. So if you find it very educative, I will urge you to give a like and subscription to this very channel. Make sure that you actually drop a comment on the video on the topic you want me to talk about in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.